So today we are going to see about introduction to engineering graphics. So in engineering graphics we are going to see these are the few topics we are going to see in our engineering graphics. The first one scales, second engineering curves. So next locus of points, orthographic projections and projection of points, unlines, planes, solids, sections, intersection of surfaces, isometric projections, and few of the exercise and problems related to these topics. So first we are going to see about what is the various types of content in these topics. The first one scales. So in the scales we are going to have about the basic information, types and important units and few problems in different types of scales. So we are going to see about the problems in today's class. So this is the various types of scales. So the scales can be classified into reducing scale and the ratio is called representative factors. So the dimension of the scales can be calculated by using this representative factor. That is, the representative factor is equal to dimension of drawing divided by dimension of objects. So before using any drawing sheets, we are first going to calculate what is this called scales. So for example, in a full view, we can able to see about this 1:10, 1:1000, 1:100, and 1:1 lakh. These are all the few RFs that is described here. RF is nothing but representation factor, that is the dimension of drawing divided by dimension of objects. So and also divide by length of the drawing divided by actual length, and these are the two formulas we are going to use in this study. So this is a few conversion factors, that is 1 kilometer equal to 10 hectameters, 1 hectometer equal to 10 decameters, 1 decameter equal to 10 meters, 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters, 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeters, and 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. And also the scales can be classified into plane scales, diagonal scales, vernier scales, comparative scales, and scales of chords. So this is the two types of scales that are going to use in this entire subject. First one, plane scale. So plane scale is nothing but it can represent two units or a unit and its subdivision. And this is the first problem we are going to use this type of plane scale. First, the problem number one is draw a scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter to read decimeters to measure maximum distance of 6 meters. Show it on it a distance of 4 meter and 6 decimeter. So first step to solve this problem is first we are going to calculate the ORF. So ORF formula is dimension of drawing divided by dimension of object. So in this dimension of the drawing is 1 centimeter divided by dimension of the object is 1 meter is equal to 1 by 100. So then the length of the scale, that is ORF into maximum distance. So our ORF is 1 by 100. Our maximum distance is equal to 6 meter. It should be converted into centimeter. It is called 600 centimeter. So then the answer is length of the scale is 6 centimeter. So using this value, we have to first draw a line 6 centimeter long. So then divide into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6 equal parts. So then each part will represent a larger division unit. So then subdivide the first part which will represent the second unit or fraction of first unit. So then place 0 at the end of the first unit. So number the units on the right side of 0 and subdivisions on left side of the 0. So take a scale of 5 to 10 mm for getting a look of scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 to 10. So I can able to divide the scale. So now it is formed the scale. So based on the ORF factor, we have to show the distance between 4 meter and 6 meters. So this is decimeters and this side is meters. And our ORF factor is 1 by 100. So showing meters and decimeters. So this is the our value, that is, and another one is 4. So here 4 meter to 6 decimeter. This is the value of our answer. So this wise we have to show our answer to here. is one problem which will represent the scale, and next class we are going to see about the next problem.